Hello friends, I am Nayashik from blogdude.com and welcome to a very special video. Because in this video we'll be creating something which we have never created before, totally different kind of website. Today we'll be creating a coupon website. This is the website which we'll be creating, as you can see on your screen. Really amazing, really super amazing, super awesome website, and I have taken inspiration from retailmenot.com. Let me show you the website. This is the website. This is a very famous coupon website. So you can get different coupons, different deals on this particular website. So I have taken inspiration from this one. We have a similar kind of header. As you can see over here, there are different categories, different companies. Now here we have different deals and coupon codes. And when you click on a particular code, when you click on this show code, you are redirected to another page. And in this page, you'll see this coupon code appears. And when you click on this copy, the coupon code is automatically copied. And you can use this anywhere you want. So we'll be creating a similar website like this. So this is the website which we'll be creating. Now let's first see the demo website which we have created, and so that you can get an idea what we'll be doing in this video. So here at the top we have a very beautiful header. This is our logo. This is the subtitle. I have given this subtitle. Then a big search bar, which is very, very important, because here people will come, they will search for your product, or they will search for some company. Like if they want some coupon code for HostGator, they'll search for HostGator and they can see the result. Then we have login and sign up tab over here. After that, below it we have our menu. I'll show you everything how to do this. We can obviously change the color scheme. I have selected this color. I like this one, but obviously you can create, or you can change the color according to your choice. After that, we have today's offers and coupons. As you can see, we have different companies like Amazon, sign up and get $10 for free. So these are different coupons, and this is a carousel. For example, if you see, we can just move it around, and this will be constant through all the website, throughout the website, on all pages, on all posts, all coupons, and so on. I'll show you in a moment what I mean by that. First, let's see what we have next. Now after this, we have a slider, very beautiful slider. Again, we have 6 or 5 different tabs, and when you click on one tab, this is obviously automatic. It will change automatically, but you can also change it like this. So we have $2 cashback on mobile recharges and so on. Everything related to coupons and deals and affiliate marketing. After that, we have a very beautiful tab section. We have 4 different categories. So here, this is the clothing category. So all the deals related to clothing are given over here. When we click on electronics, we have all the deals related to electronics. We have this show coupon code button. When we click on this, we'll see what happens when we click on this. First, let's see all the different tabs. So we have 4 different tabs. Now suppose you want this coupon code. So you click on show coupon code and you will be redirected on this page. So this is how a single coupon code page looks like. But first, let's complete the home page. Let's see the complete home page. After that, we'll go on that. Okay. So after this, we have a very, very beautiful section. This is the section. Here we have our social icons so that people can connect with us on different social media platforms. After that, we have popular stores. And when we hover this, we'll get, for example, when we hover eBay, we get 32 coupons. So we have 32 coupons related to eBay. After that, we have a very important section. Building email list is very important in coupon website, because if you have ever signed up with any coupon website, if you have ever signed up for a newsletter or something, you know that constantly we'll get for example, forget about coupon website. If you have signed up with Amazon or Newegg, you receive constant emails from them that we are giving this product for this discount and so on. So it is very important to generate. I'll also show you how you can do everything about a little bit of email marketing. Also, I'll show you in this video. So this is very important to collect more emails so that you can keep in touch with the customers and provide them new offers when it is available. After that, we have this section where we are it's optional. If you want, you can have this section. If you don't want, you can just remove this section. Basically, there can be two kind of website: a single coupon website wherein only you are the one who is providing coupons, who is allowed to publish coupons. But there are different kind of website. For example, retailmenot.com, you can also, the company has their own coupon codes, but user can also put in their coupon codes. So you can have this section if you want that kind of website wherein the visitor or user can also submit a coupon code. So they can click over here, sign up, and they can submit their coupon code. And after that, at the bottom, we have 4 different sections, very beautiful section. And a very amazing and awesome thing about this website is that creating this is very, very easy. I know people might be thinking, man, this is really good website, really, really beautifully crafted, nicely built, functional. So it would be very difficult to create this. But the answer is no. We will create it very easily, and you'll see how easy it is to create a website like this. Okay, now let's first see the coupon page, how the coupon archive page looks like. So we'll click on all coupons. And as I said you earlier, we'll have this section throughout the website. Whether we are on the coupon page, post page, wherever we are, we will have this section throughout the website. And obviously it is all up to you. If you don't want this section throughout the website, you can just remove it. But I thought it would be a very good idea to have this thing. That's why I kept it over here. Now here we have different coupons, and you can see this image here. It says 7% off, but I'll also show you how you can put in the image over here. For example, if this is related to Amazon, then you will have Amazon image over here, or you can have text like this here, which you're seeing over here. So we have few coupons over here, and we have this pagination at the bottom. When you click on 2, you will be redirected to second page and so on. And at the left hand side, we have a sidebar. You can select the sidebar location, whether you want this on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Here we have on the left hand side, and I'll show you everything from scratch, how you can create these sidebars, how you can put all these popular offers and recent offers, these social icons and so on. Now let's see how a single coupon looks like. So let's click on this. So this is how a single coupon would look like. We have this free standard shipping and returns site-wide. We have 7% off. And when we click on this shop coupon, it will redirect us to another page, and we also get this pop-up. Here we can copy this. When you click on this coupon code, it is automatically copied, and you can paste it anywhere. And you can also provide this get this deal link, and at the bottom we are again asking the user to provide their sign up form. This is optional obviously, but it is very important, as I said you earlier. Okay, so this was the single page. I'll also show you some extra things like how to create a contact page and so on. And if you notice that we have different sidebar for different purposes. For example, this page is related to coupons, so we have sidebar related to coupons. For example, here we have latest coupons, popular offers. But when we click on our blog section, let's click on blog section, and blog section is also very, very important. Whether it be any kind of website, whether it is e-commerce website or any kind of website, blog section is very important. And now here, if you see, the sidebar is totally different. Now here we have popular post. We don't have popular coupons over here. We have popular post because the user is seeing the post and he's expecting to see popular post and not popular coupons. So I'll show you how to do this as well. And when you click on this single post, let's see how it looks. And the website is really beautiful, really amazing, very beautifully built. I really like this thing. Okay, you have this author over here, related post, comments at this bottom section. Now let's see the contact page. Let's click on contact page. So this is our contact us page, and obviously again this is very easy to create this contact page. I'll show you everything from scratch. Okay guys, so this was a very short demo of what we are going to create in this particular tutorial. I hope you guys like this section. I hope you guys like the website, and if you guys are really excited, then stay tuned.